Hey everyone, it's Vesa. So normally I don't publish videos like this, but I wanted to talk about this because I was going to upload some new videos recently. However, because of what happened, I just can't. So if you watched my video talking about the best YouTube camera in my opinion, on a budget especially, the Panasonic Lumix G7, you'll know that I also happen to have a Rode VideoMic Pro. That microphone has served me very well. However, unfortunately, there's been a bit of a problem recently, and that is that, well, the microphone is kind of damaged. So the microphone itself is actually fine, it's just that the cable, as you can see, is not in the best of condition. I don't know what happened to it. I think someone was maybe resting on it, and that caused a bit of a dent. However, I have no idea. So for the next few days or so, until we get this sorted out, I won't be really uploading any videos because I wanted to make more, I guess, face videos of me discussing stuff about that. But as of right now, there's not really a whole lot I wanted to do. I wanted to talk about some Apple rumors and the Mac Mini, and I wanted to do a facial cam for that because I don't actually have a Mac Mini to film. But still, you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. Anyways, I hope you did enjoy this video, and I hope you understand, and I'll see you later.